unboxing. Got the SR10, 110 scale, ready to run, two-wheel drive, electric dirt oval race car. I know some of y'all asking about you. Why you got an oval race car? Wait a minute, we'll talk about it later. Let's get back to it. It's got this DVC technology, dynamic vehicle control receiver, otherwise known as a gyro. Actually, brushless power, ready to run. We are championed by design. 110 scale, two-wheel drive, electric power, on-road, off-road. Pre-painted, transmitter included, ready to run. Team associated. Get a look at that box. Let me see, look how this nice little box looks like, y'all. So box, all the features. Got you all your features here. You can pause if you want to check out all the features. Nice little look around. Nice little box though. Kind of a nice box. Nice box, nice box. I like it. Yep. All right, so let's see what's in it. Okay, I'm one-handed here, so y'all bear with me. We ain't gonna do the magic of TV today, y'all. We're just gonna do it how we do it. Get out the way. Okay, where we go? Oh, I like this already. Got tools. Like spacer shims or sham, whatever you call them things. Probably for the shocks. That's something I sound see like some I already don't like. But yeah, you got your little wrenches. Probably all the tools you need for it. Transmitter manual, like some other cars. Oh, that says manual and catalog. So I'm sure it has upgrade parts in there. Matter of fact, hold on, y'all. Let's just look and see what's in here. Might be some stickers in here. You never can too. Okay. Hold on, y'all. I want it to be natural. You know, I could have do all the stuff, but I just want to be a little natural with it. What we got here? Yeah, declaration of conformity. Okay. Okay, you see the declaration of conformity there? Check it out. All right, cool. We have a nice catalog. Oh man, yeah. Let me slide the car for us. I need this catalog right here. Nice catalog, y'all. Tell you about all your ball bearings, flat, all your screws. Like I said, the shims and all that. So, yeah. Charger, which mine didn't come with a charger nor a battery. They had two versions of this. You know, I just got the one without the battery. I don't need a battery nor a charger. But yeah. Nice little, man, I'm trying to find the catalog part. That's really why I opened this book, y'all. I want to see what we got. It said a catalog. I'm trying to see where's the catalog part at. I guess that's it. I guess you just got it like that. So, yeah, anyway, forget that. Back to this. What else we had in here? What is this? Oh, okay. Yeah. Guess you can buy your tools, upgrade stuff, servo batteries, things you can buy. Okay, that's kind of cool. And we have, like I said, that's the transmitter manual. And then we have whatever that is. And yeah. All right, so let's get this car out of here. Hold on, y'all. It's not that good. All right. Man, y'all check this thing out, man. Y'all check that thing out, man. I'm gonna need that box. Check that thing out, man. First look, what y'all think? What do y'all think? Now, this is supposed to be a dirt oval track car, y'all. But, like, I like to be different. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm gonna use it for the street. This is gonna be my street car. It's two-wheel drive. So, like I said, I finally got me a two-wheel drive. So, yeah, now Nard got somebody to race with on two-wheel drive, see? So, yeah, I like that. It's like a Monte Carlo to me. And it's got, like, the wide body. Man, this thing looks good. Like, y'all just check that out, man. That thing is, look at that. Look at that stance on that thing. Just look at that. That thing is a beauty. That thing is a beauty. Let's get the body off, y'all. Let's see what's in here. see what we got up under this thing. Like I said, this is my first two-wheel drive, so I'm really excited about this car. And they did a good job, like Team Associate on the body. They did a good job. You know how much I love stickers, but for this car, because like they have it for dirt oval, it looks like a dirt oval track car as far as the stickers and all that's concerned. So what I'm gonna do more than likely is take all the stickers off of it. And it's gonna look like a street stock car. It's gonna look like it's supposed to be a street car instead of a race car, so to speak. So I'm gonna have it looking good, or y'all just believe that it's gonna look good. With that all white, with it being all white, that thing gonna look good with the black wheels on it. You know I'm gonna throw my Smooth Criminal stickers on here, a couple, but I don't like all this Team Associate race looking stuff. But yeah, let's get this body off, y'all. Man, gang, man, it's one of the sturdiest bodies I ever. God almighty, this thing's sturdy. This thing is not cheap feeling at all. It's like, I don't know if you can see it, but it's thick plastic. This thing here. Look, it even has the little antennas in the window. See the lines? That's cool. See, that's why, oh my goodness, my bad. That's why I'm gonna make it feel like a street car, like, so to speak, because it's like a real car like that. Okay, y'all, oh man, it's got offset tires. Got nice small rubber tires on the front, like those. Wide on the back. Good feeling rubber. Good grip too, feel like it. Yeah, we got the Reedy SC600. I guess it's a 2.3S LiPo, 2.3S ESC cable, Dean's connectors. As y'all know, it's gonna be my first mod. Matter of fact, before I leave this video, y'all, I'm probably gonna let y'all see them clipping those off because I have no Dean Connect batteries. I do not run Deans. I do not recommend Deans. It is up to you if that's what you wanna do, but that's not what I like. I don't like Deans. I've had some bad, situation with those Deans. Let me see what we got here. We got the Reedy, but I know this is a Reedy 3300. It's the same setup that's in the DR10. It's the same exact setup in the DR10. So yeah, it's got a 3300 kV motor, 18 tooth pinion. I already looked that stuff up for you guys. 18 tooth pinion, adjustable body mount post. Let me see here. I don't like these shocks. I'm gonna tell y'all this. This is the part I don't like. I don't like these shocks. With this shim, maybe I gotta put space, the shims in between. I don't like that. I hate that. That's gonna be probably one of my first upgrades that I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put some different shocks on here because I can't stand that. It's definitely not my thing. This is your receiver box. Your receiver is in there, and it has that gyro thing in there for you to adjust your gyro, Metal Gear Servo, the Reedy. Metal Gear Servo has metal gears in it. That's good. This your battery tray with the straps. Have your straps to hold your battery in. Nice size case. I'm not gonna run nothing but 2S on this really. It's 3S sometime, but it's really gonna be like my 2S car. Cause I wanna put my drag tree out, and my drag tree always gets torn down when we race on it because we're going too fast. So I figure with these 2S cars, drag racing, it should be a lot of fun. And go ahead and enjoy that. Nice bumper on the front. Oh, these are adjustable too, adjustment in the front. But yeah, this thing I don't like. I really don't like those shocks. They're aluminum, but they're not aluminum. The ripple. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I can't think right now. I'll put it in the thing though. My mind going. I'm so happy about the car too. I'm ready to get out and run it. But like I said, I gotta cut these off first and put my XT60s on before I do that. Up on the bottom of it, you see it's got the low center of gravity kind of chassis, a little bit go down. So yeah, it's really not that low center of gravity, but it's nice little chassis, plastic. There's nothing aluminum on this thing really, except for the shock part. Except for these shocks. So yeah, but yeah, y'all, that's just nice bumper guard too. Look, that's a good flexing. See, it flexes in. Good rear bumper guard, even though nobody's gonna be hitting me in my rear because I drag race. So yeah. I street race. I'm not gonna necessarily call myself a drag race. I'm more of a street racer. I'll just say that. But, hold on, y'all. I gotta cut this transmitter out of here. They got a tram. I don't know why they didn't put it in the box over here. They got it over here. I don't know why they did that. That's retarded. Hold on, y'all. They made it childproof. All right, turn that thing on. Got your basic. That actually feels pretty good in the hand. I like that disc brake. They got the disc brake on there. You see it? Blue, painted blue. Y'all see that? Nice 5-spoke rim. Feels pretty good. Basic controller. Got your throttle steering. Dual rating trim. Basic controller. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna get this thing. I'm gonna get these get this end cut off. Matter of fact, like I told y'all I was gonna do while y'all was on, so y'all can see. We are gonna do this right now.
Tell me how you want me to cut this. Just make it nice and neat. That'll be $8.
All right. First mod complete. Like I said, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe for more of the best from the breast.
Oh, hell no.
Make sure you like, comment, subscribe for more of the best from the best. Bye, you mob. We out. One.